up, Pyro? What you want, dog? What you want? What you want, dog? Do you want this? Up. You better sit down. Haha. Pyro, go fetch. Wow, Pyro, how dare you not go fetch?
Wow, Pyro, how dare you not go fetch?
Pyro's favorite toy. Eh, eh. Sit. Eh. Sit. Eh. Stay. Go get it. Good girl, pa. Ah, where are you going? You should give it to me back. Woman. Ah. Ha. Do you want it? Wait, why is it? Pyro is eating. Oh. That's a dry kibble and canned food. You want to play? Ah. We're going for a walk in a second, dog. Go get her! Get it, Johnny! You are so lazy. I'm gonna go pick up your poop. Dog. You are lazy. Hey, sit. Sit. Good girl. Stay. I'll go and pick up her poop and throw it all over, but I'll show it to you. We have like a dog poop stuff. You haven't pooped for a day? What the hell? Oh, it rained. It finally rained. Pyro, what are you doing? Hey, stay away from your own poop, dog. Shh. How to pick it out? Stay. You don't want to share with Pyro? Pyro has the most beautiful black hair here. Well, reddish black. So, Pyro with a reddish black hair. Ah, so heavy. Yeah. Pyro, come on. Come on. Why are you so excited? You really wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? You really wanna go for a walk? Okay. Okay then. No. Sit. Hey. You know what to do. Okay. Stay. 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 Let's go! Wait for me. I have to take your poop. Come on, Pyro, let's go. I'm so wobbly. I need to find. Pyro, we need to find where we can throw your poop away. I don't know why it's so wobbly. I have to increase maybe my speed a little bit. Pyro, let's go. You're too close. Pyro. So I was trying to walk Pyro run in this area right here. There's actually a big open lot there. But I would walk here there, but there's like a bunch of spikes. That's gonna hurt her paw. So I kinda don't wanna. Pyro, you're pushing my little too much here. Move. Pyro, move. Yeah, I would walk here in that area right there, but it's freaking wide as heck. Pyro, come on. So this is where I throw away my dogs or Pyro's poop. Hey, why are you pulling me down? This is like, I don't know, there's like a bunch of this thing around my neighborhood, so I just throw it over here and get some more garbage can, or not garbage can, garbage bag for Pyro's poop right here. Should be like 2 weeks worth. No, not 2 weeks, 2 days worth. Yeah, about 2 days worth. Okay. Very helpful for throwing away dog's poop and also getting dog poop bag. Hello! You're gonna get choked, dog. Let's go over here. I don't usually ride bikes to go here, but okay. So this is another station for the dog waste station or something like that. I don't know, dog waste. There's a bunch of cars going by here. So yeah, this is another station. This is actually the last one that I went. No, the last station that I passed by where I dropped off Pyro's poop is all the way in that area. The end of this walk path right here. So I think this area right here is dog waste poop basket. Pyro, let's go. Gosh darn it, they're smelling again. Do you really want to go for a smell, dog? I got you. Oh, my thing is falling apart. My little bike. Okay, go for a smell. Okay. I'll wait for here. Ah, dog, you're so dirty. There's no, I don't know, GoPro thing that dig around here, dog. Our house. Oh, there's a destroyed bowl here. I don't know, do you want to fetch? But you're kind of like touching me right now, so you can't really do fetch, but if you will chase it. Pyro! 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 Go get it! Nah. She don't give a fucking care. She don't care. Come on, let's go. I can't put the bike while she's smelling. Because it's gonna kill me. Not have to walk. Okay. So basically, the next poop is near here. Come on. Come on, Pyro. Come on. Come on. Come on, dog. Let's go. Pyro. She just don't give a care. Dog. Every time I walk around here, that's why I walk a different route sometimes. Because she likes smelling around this area. These dogs always poop here. And not poop, pee and poop. And there's also sometimes a bunch of different animals that roam around here. Mostly cats. Just realized that this guy hates cat. He hates them. No! This is the third poop station. Let's go check the next one. There's one more over the yonder right there. The over yonder. But I used to use that one right there. I like to throw my dog's poop. But I switched to this one right here. The one behind me. Because when I walk, I can basically not hit, but I can go through that one first. So I switched to that one, but I used to use this a lot when I first got my Doge. Come on, let's go. Okay, dog. So this thing right here has a very epic walkthrough, but I'll go for a bike. Harold, keep looking behind. We're not in the bike right now. She just loves smelling. Do you guys have that or something? It really annoys me sometimes. She smells a lot of stuff. This is the fourth and last one that we're gonna hit today. Dog, let's go!